Hey, this is my assignment 6 video report. Question 1 was about just going over the pre-made models again and fixing their normals. So I set the ones that needed to be set. You'll see that in a minute. I'll just show you that they work because they work with the color light. One other thing is that I got my sphere working, at least to a certain extent. Is kind of funny, the issue that exists with it right now, and I just like moved on instead of fixing it. So that's my problem, but it's still there, and the normals work. So I got normals on the terrain. I got normals working on pretty much everything. So yeah, that's that. I guess like one of the important takeaways from this is that normals can be calculated just by summing the adjacent face normals from that, like from any given like vertex. So there's that. And to question 2, which was about doing texture with lighting. So I have my shader texture light class, and then my texture light class. It's pretty straightforward. I basically just pulled in texture stuff. So I got my texture and the sampler. And then the other thing that really matters is down here. I have my text chords in the input structs. Gets passed through the vertex shader, and in the pixel shader, it just multiplies with the lit color and samples from the texture. So I'll just show that off and then move on. See, there's the box with a texture and it's lit. There you go. Cool. My frame rate is chugging so much, I think, because I'm running OBS and 3 versions of Visual Studio at the same time. So I feel like that's not a good benchmark. Okay, moving on. The next one was about doing multiple lights. So I kind of did that in my multiple light class. I should have mentioned earlier that the input layout had to be like switched around and stuff to make textures work. So this is like the texture class. It's shader texture multi-light, for lack of a better name. Just the important thing to know here is I'm just doing the multiple lights I'm doing are just point lights. So I have 3 different functions for setting 3 different point lights, and it's A, B, and C. So you set those up. You can see me doing that here, so I'm setting them at different positions. Then I just have some, I'm just rendering a light box where those lights are just for visual reference. So you can see that here. And then in the shader, it's pretty much, I don't know, we talked about this in class. It's like not that bad per se. You can see my light parameters. I've got 3 point lights, and then in my pixel shader you can see that I'm computing 3 different point lights, and that's the A, B, and C there, and adding those to the ambient diffuse specular. So let's see those multiple lights. There they are. These 3 cubes here are just the light boxes, like I said, and they're lighting the back plane there. So there's multiple point lights. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. I think I was just so you know, the terrain I was using in the first demo was like a weird terrain that I found, and I just like didn't change it. But this is just the test terrain. But the normals work correctly for all of my terrains, and I just wanted to showcase that. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Alright. Yeah, that's all I had time for this week. So, yeah, thank you. Bye-bye.